конечно, надо смотреть.
Потом покажешь на видео. Видите,
As we ascend our cruise now to the 36,000 feet, the captain requested all passengers stay seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Keeping all movement rings closed until the seatbelt sign is turned off. That will be our only indication that it's safe for you, the passengers, to move around the cabin. Even if you see the flight attendants in the aisles, we ask that you please stay seated until that seatbelt sign is turned off. Please keep in mind that all the electronics and other functions must remain disabled throughout the flight. Once we have reached our cruising altitude, and the seatbelt sign is turned off warning turbulence, we'll be starting our beverage and meal service in both cabins. If you're going to join us for lunch, please make sure that your tray tables are down and your earbuds and your earphones are both on your head and your ears so the flight attendants can secure your meal and beverage choices. We do offer a variety of beverages on this morning's flight. We do carry Coca-Cola products. We have Coke, Diet Coke, Coke Zero Spray, ginger ale, tonic water, sparkling water, orange, apple, cran-apple juice, Bloody Mary mixed with tomato juice. Spirits, beer, Prosecco, white, red and white wine are available to our guests that are 21 years of age and older. If you're seated in the main cabin, this includes the DPS cabin, we ask that you please stay in your cabin services class with the transfer current to the forward part of the cabin is not permitted on this or any other aircraft as it is a security issue, so please stay in your cabin. If you're seated in Delta Force, the cabin, the lavatories are located right behind you. There's two in the middle and two in the very back of the aircraft, as well as a full service galley. We ask that you please not congregate in these areas. Please keep the aisles clear of any obstructing devices. Items such as the bags, hands and elbows. We don't want you to be injured while moving through the aisles or any other passengers. And while the flight attendants are in the aisles in service, we ask that you please keep the aisles clear. All the flight attendants accomplish their service in a timely manner, offering everyone their first choice in the event we encounter unexpected turbulence. Movies, games, and audio will be available on today's flight. Just every screen in front of you and make your selection. Wi-Fi will be available. However, at times, folks, it will be intermittent. It will go on over the North Atlantic, so be patient and try once again if it goes out until you connect. Just an hour and 30 minutes before landing will serve you a snack in both cabins. As August, that there will be some deep turbulence upon arrival, so please have all your items secured before we start our descent. We thank you for selecting Delta. Please remain seated and enjoy your flight.